Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use presets in Alight Motion. If you're new to Alight Motion and you don't know how to use presets in it, I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Alight Motion app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to create a new project or on the project to edit your existing project. Now, to use the preset, simply click on the plus icon at the bottom right. And now you can see different options like shape, media, audio, object element, templates. Simply click on templates here. And if you click on discover more templates, you can find different templates over here. And just like that, you can choose one of them. Since I have already imported many presets here, I'm going to choose one of them like this. And now to further edit it, click on the text at the screen and you can see this option here. Double click on the option animated and here you can edit the text. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And now if we play the video, and just like that we can use presets in Alight Motion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.